In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use email to keep clients engaged between projects. If you've been wondering how to maintain strong relationships with clients when you're not actively working with them, then this video is for you. By the end of it, you'll have simple, actionable tips that you can implement right away. And stick around because I've got a special free trial offer for the software we're using that's exclusive to viewers of this channel. First, let's talk about why keeping clients engaged between projects is so important. You want to stay top of mind and maintain a strong relationship, so when it's time to work together again, you're the first one they think of. Regular engagement through email helps build trust, showcase your value, and keep the door open for future work. One of the most effective ways to keep your clients engaged is to send regular updates. But instead of just checking in, make your emails valuable. Share industry news, helpful tips, or insights related to the work you've done with them in the past. This keeps you relevant and positions you as an expert in your field. A simple example could be a brief email titled 3 New Trends You Should Know About in Your Industry. Next, share case studies or examples of past projects. You don't have to go into great detail, but send short, compelling stories of successful projects that might resonate with your clients. This reinforces your capabilities and reminds them of the great work you've done for them. Another key strategy is to offer exclusive content. You can send them an email with a downloadable resource, like an ebook or a template that would be useful for their business. It's a great way to show value without asking for anything in return. And remember, exclusive content makes clients feel special, like they're getting something that others aren't. You can also use emails to ask for feedback or conduct brief surveys. Asking for feedback not only shows that you care about your client's experience, but it also gives you valuable insights into how you can improve. If you use these emails to show that you're constantly evolving and improving, clients will appreciate your dedication and be more likely to return for future projects. Don't forget to personalize your emails. The more personal, the better. If you can mention something specific to the client's business or a conversation you had in the past, it'll make your email feel much more genuine and connected. Personalization goes a long way in building long-term relationships. Now, let's talk about the software we'll be using to manage and automate these email strategies. I've tried all the most popular options, and this software is hands down the best for keeping clients engaged between projects. It lets you automate your emails, track engagement, and personalize your messages. Plus, you can set up drip campaigns to ensure your clients get regular, relevant content from you. The best part? I've got an exclusive free trial for you if you want to follow along. Just check the description below. To recap, send regular updates, share case studies, offer exclusive content, ask for feedback, and always personalize your emails. All of these will help keep your clients engaged and ready to work with you again. The key takeaway is to use email as a tool to stay relevant and top of mind, offering value without always asking for something in return. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a great opportunity to try out the software we've been talking about and see how it can help you maintain client engagement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.